Okay, so in this explainer, we're going to talk about digital clutter. But look, this is not about getting to inbox zero or anything like that. No, this is about engineering a really powerful mental state, something called presence of mind. It's a way to turn all that chaos into a real competitive advantage. So let's just start with a question for you.
Just think about that for a second. This isn't really about being messy. It's about that hidden cost, right? That constant low-grade hum of anxiety that you get from not quite knowing where everything is. That mental drain, well, that's the core problem we're going to tackle today.
Does this look familiar to you? I mean, for most of us, this is our digital reality. You've got your ideas on one island over here, your tasks on another, those flagged emails on a third, and every single one of these separate islands, it requires a little piece of your mental energy just to keep track of it all. It creates this constant, slow leak of focus.
And that's really the crucial point. This isn't just about being inefficient. It actively works against a state of clear, focused thinking. All this constant switching and searching, it fractures your attention and it just sabotages your ability to do your best work. It kills your presence of mind.
So what exactly is this state that we're aiming for? You know, when you hear presence of mind, you might immediately think of meditation. And while that's super valuable, what we're talking about today it's a little different. It's something more active, more operational.
What I love about this definition is that it's all about operational clarity. It frames presence of mind as a system. It's that deep confidence you feel when you know without a doubt exactly where your information lives, what your priorities are, and, maybe most importantly, what you can safely ignore. This is a state of control, not just calm.
Ultimately, it just boils down to this. It's the ability to answer that one question. What is the most important thing for me to be doing right now, without having to sift through a mountain of digital noise first? That immediacy, man, that's power.
Because the cost of not having this kind of clarity, it's so much more than just a few wasted minutes here and there. As we're about to see, the exhaustion it creates is real, it's tangible, and it feels deeply personal.
The author of our source material here shares a story that's probably going to sound familiar to a lot of us. They had these great ideas, right? But they were just buried in this totally chaotic system. Business plans would get lost, key resources were scattered all over the place, and all that potential was just being wasted, simply because the foundational structure wasn't there to support it.
Yeah, this image really illustrates the real issue, doesn't it? It's that constant background noise in your head, that nagging feeling that you've forgotten something, or that a great idea is slipping through the cracks. This isn't just inefficient, it's a type of mental exhaustion that makes every single thing you do feel harder.
So, if fragmentation is the problem, what's the solution? Well, it's not about finding some magic productivity app. It's a strategic shift in how you think. It's about going from spreading all your information out to creating a central digital headquarters for your life and your work. It's all about centralization.
This slide just captures the entire transformation perfectly. On the left, you're stuck in that tornado of chaos. You're constantly searching. But on the right, you have a knowledge library, a single source of truth that you can actually trust. This is the shift from just looking for your information to actually using it. And that's the whole goal.
But you gotta be careful, because here's the trap that so many of us fall into. In our search for clarity, we actually end up creating more chaos. We install 10 different apps, we duplicate information across all of them, and we overcomplicate our workflows. It's this vicious cycle that just makes the original problem even worse.
So the most crucial point is this. The path to clarity isn't paved with more apps. It's about a ruthless commitment to consolidation. It's about choosing one core place to be your single source of truth, and then integrating the few other essential tools you need into it, not the other way around.
So, once you achieve this operational clarity, what's the payoff? I mean, it goes so far beyond just feeling organized. It becomes a genuine strategic advantage in everything that you do.
This kind of clarity produces three really powerful results. First, you make better decisions because all the context you need is right there. Second, you execute faster because there's zero friction from searching for things. And crucially, your stress just drops because you can finally trust that nothing is falling through the cracks.
And this slide right here, this shows the ultimate payoff. When your brain doesn't have to be that messy storage closet on the left side of the image, you free up an incredible amount of mental energy. All that cognitive bandwidth can finally be used for what really matters: creative thinking, solving hard problems, and just doing your best work.
And that's why this isn't just about personal productivity. In a world of constant distraction, the ability to maintain focus and clarity, that is a superpower. It's a competitive edge that most people completely overlook because they're way too busy trying to manage the chaos instead of engineering a system to eliminate it entirely.
I really want to leave you with this final thought. The state of clarity, it doesn't just happen. You don't stumble into it by accident. You have to build it, brick by by making a conscious choice to centralize, to simplify, and to trust your system.
And if you're wondering what we personally use as that central digital headquarters, we use Notion. It's where we organize business ideas, content plans, AI tools, and resources, so everything lives in one place. If you want to see how we've structured it and grab the same setup, we put the link at BusinessBrainUSA.online. That's where our full tech stack lives.